Hey everybody, this is going to be a general reading for the sun sign of Capricorn or whoever has Capricorn in their sun, rising, moon, or Venus positions. This is a general reading for the sign of Capricorn for the month of October. Sun, moon, rising, Venus in Capricorn. Okay. Guys, this is a general reading. May or may not resonate with everyone. You can always book a private reading on Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot Instagram. I will link it below. I hope you guys are doing safe, Capricorn. For the month of October. Oopsies. Wow. Okay. Ace of Swords. New beginnings. I see new job opportunities that are going to lead you to stability, towards love, towards clarity of ideas. Even could be a Libran that you're dealing with. You've been waiting for something to happen when it comes to your job or your property or some kind of legal um, aspect of your life. You're waiting for something and it's going to reach its fruition in October. Capricorn. I see you will be getting some kind of a communication. Could be from a fire sign, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. And this communication will help you either get closure from something or it will begin a new romantic chapter in your life. It could also begin a new work life. A lot of 8 in your reading could be around the 8th of October. This person could be somebody who left you in the past, who ghosted you, who made you feel unloved, unwanted, or you lost out on a job because you felt unwanted there, you were not happy with the working conditions or your the attitude of your colleagues or your seniors. Yeah, lot of struggle, lot of hardship that you're getting out of. And guys, if you haven't faced this yet, probably you'll be facing it in the near future, but you'll get out of it because I see some positive cards, a positive culmination to all the hard work. But I feel this is the energy of the past, and now these things are ending. This horrible energy is ending with some communication coming your way, which will make you feel empowered, which will make you feel in your elements. You'll feel as if justice has been served. Now you will know better about this communication. Could come from an earth sign individual, uh, your fellow earth sign individual, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I feel that this was the energy of the past, and now you are going to be uh, getting what you finally deserve. Better pay, more respect, a better relationship. Yeah, you've got the Justice card twice. Heavy Libra energy. Oopsies. This connection or this situation made you feel as if you weren't good enough, either for an organization or for a person or for your family. It made you feel burdened, it made you feel as if you were less than other people, and also it made you feel restless, anxious. You found yourself feeling confused about your very existence, Capricorn. You found yourself feeling as if things are just going the other way and there is no hope left. But there's a lot of hope. October is here to change the game. In case you were dealing with a person, this person could be juggling with two individuals, either you or someone else, or a situation and you, probably situation. You've got justice thrice. I feel this person was a Libran. Now I am absolutely sure this person could have a very bubbly, childlike nature. Could be a Scorpio also. Yep, could be a Scorpio. And there could be some age difference between the two of you. You've got the Seven of Pentacles again. It made you feel stuck. This situation or this person suddenly ended. The communication, conversations with this person ended. It made you feel, probably this connection is what made you feel worthless and gave you anxiety, restlessness, sleepless nights, made you feel as if you were facing the world on your own and the world was against you. But that energy is going away now. Guys, you have been looking at a different side in your life when something else is being offered to you. You're looking somewhere else and not looking at the new beginning. Probably this connection or this job or the situation had to end because there is something beautiful waiting for you. But you guys are just looking the other way. I feel this connection or this job came as karma to you, good, bad, or otherwise. And now that it's over, it's cleared the path for things that you truly deserve. Around the 7th or 10th, 9th, these are important dates for you. 5th also. These are important dates where you might get this communication from this person or from this job or from this company that you were looking at, joining or something. You were keen on it, you were keen on a person, but then things just ended, and now there'll be a fresh beginning. Someone wants to help you think of who that might be and initiate contact. Could be this water sign individual that I got. Somebody who is probably younger than you or has less experience work wise when it comes to, this help that the angels are talking about. Because there's some kind of beautiful miracle waiting for you. I don't know what that is. You will know that since you will be facing it, you'll be welcoming it in your life. In case you want more clarity on this, let me know. I will do a private reading for you. Because this is a general message. And no matter how hopeful I am that it will resonate with everyone, it may not. You've got the same card as Virgo. Finish what you started, and definitely yes. So, in case you had a very, clear yes or no question, the answer is yes. Whatever you are seeking, whatever you're looking at, is going to happen very soon. But just finish what you've started so that you set the ball rolling and get this hasten the process of the manifestation. Capricorn, I see good things happening for you. You just need to let go of the past. Oh, I see success. Wow. But this is a period of waiting. which is fine. You could, wait and gather information and feel, uh, you know, a little more confident about where you're headed, what you're going to be looking at, what you're manifesting. Use this time to build your confidence, self esteem. Also, gather more information about things, about whatever you're looking for. Could be a job. If it's a person, get to know a little more about them, ask around. And as I tell everyone, check their social media. You get to know about a person through their social media to an extent that you could just read them like a book. Surrender to the divine. Even you've got full moon. Wow, amazing. Take time to breathe out. There's a change coming your way, Capricorn, and this change is beautiful. It's something that you have manifested with your hard work, with your resilience, and with your pure heart. So now all you need to do is sit back and relax for some time and not act like a blockage. Because sometimes we come in the way of our own manifestations and it's just so terrible. You don't want that, right? You don't want that. Things are happening, you just need to settle a little, meditate, do things that make you happy to bring back that energy, Capricorn. And I hope you find your success very soon. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.